Hello, let us solve for y given 3y raised to power 3 minus 3y is equal to 72. The given equation is 3y raised to power 3 minus 3y is equal to 72. We have 3 here and there is 3 here. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 3. 3y raised to power 3 divided by 3 minus 3y divided by 3 is equal to 72 divided by 3. This 3 here, 1, 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 and 3 here, 24. Y raised to power 3 minus y is equal to 24. Let's test if y is equal to 1, 1 raised to power 3 minus 1. This is not equal to 24. If y is equal to 2, 2 raised to power 3 minus 2. 2 raised to power 3 is 8 minus 2. This is not equal to 24. Now let's see if y is equal to 3. We have 3 raised to power 3 minus 3. 3 raised to power 3, that is 27 minus 3. This is equal to 24. Then 24 will be 3 raised to power 3 minus 3. Y raised to power 3 minus y is equal to 24. Y raised to power 3 minus y. Let us bring this 24 to this side. Minus 24 is equal to 0. Y raised to power 3 minus y minus 24 is 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Y raised to power 3 minus y, if you open the bracket with this negative, minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is to the power of 3 and this is to the power of 3. Then this is to the power of 1 and this is to the power of 1. Here we have y raised to power 3 minus this 3 raised to power 3 bracket. Then the sign here is minus y minus this 3 is equal to 0. If you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This can be written as y minus 3 bracket y square plus 3 multiplied by y plus 3 square bracket minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is common and y minus 3 is here. Let us factor it out. Y minus 3 bracket. If you divide this by y minus 3, we have y square plus 3 multiplied by y, 3y plus 3 square, that is 9. And if you divide this y minus 3 by y minus 3, this is minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 bracket y square plus 3y plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. y minus 3 bracket y square plus 3y plus 9 minus 1, that is 8, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. And the second case is y square plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 8. Y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 over 2 multiplied by 1, or discriminant d, for it to be a real number, b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. Now let's see, d is equal to 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8. This must be greater than 0. D is equal to 3 squared. This is 9 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8. That is 32. D is equal to 9 minus 32 minus 23. And of course, minus 23, this is less than 0 because we are going to have a complex solution here. So this is rejected. The only real solution we have is y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 is the solution here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3y raised to power 3 minus 3y is equal to 72. If y is equal to 3, so this is 3 bracket 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 bracket 3 must be equal to 72. Now, this is 3 bracket 3 raised to power 3. This is 27 minus 3 bracket 3 must be equal to 72. Then from here, 3 multiplied by 27, this is 81 minus 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9, must be equal to 72. Then 81 minus 9, this is 72, is equal to 72, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.